Hi there. Meet the Snughome Overbed Table with wheels, designed for comfort and convenience. It features a spacious 31.5 by 15.7-inch tabletop perfect for laptops, meals, or books. The pneumatic lift system adjusts the height smoothly from 28.7 to 44.5 inches for ideal positioning. Built-in charging includes 2 sockets, 1 USB port, and a Type-C port to keep devices powered. A convenient cup holder ensures your drinks stay secure and spill-free. Smooth rolling casters make moving and positioning the table effortless anywhere in your home or care facility. This versatile bedside table is perfect for work, dining, or relaxation. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.